fucking focus it.
Look on the side, bro.
Look at that at me so I can...
Is it all?
Don't tell me what to do.
Okay, I won't tell you what to do.
But where the hell is it?
Up in the front.
Focus, there you go.
Is it on? Your distance is on top, man.
No shit.
Right there by your fingers.
I'm cool.
Why did you tell me to go over your life?
Okay, officer. Here's my fucking story, asshole. I have my motherfucking pager, and some motherfucker stole it. And if I catch a motherfucker that stole it, I'll admit I'm gonna beat the fuck out of him. I will probably not quit punching them for quite a while. Aaron, dude.
Okay.
Where's my pager?
I wish I could fucking find it.
Could you help me, dude?
Where the fuck? I don't know, man. Right.
Where's the pager?
I wish I fucking knew.
Katie Stevens, where's the pager?
Did you bring it in?
No, I didn't. Somebody that's not fucked up. Where's my motherfucking pager?
Cute. I don't know where it is.
Taking a shower for you.
How can a pager just fucking disappear?
I look like shit, man.
Would you look underneath the sofa?
I'll pick the mother...
I don't know where the sofa is.
It's a damn thing under there.
I don't see it, Wade. Put it back down.
Not in there.
No shit. Because if I fuck somebody up, I want evidence that they started it with me.
Hey, I didn't do it.
Because some fucker has my pager.
Nobody has it, Wade. You were in
Where is
here.
it?
Nobody has it, alright?
I'm not trying to start any violence. I just want to find my pager. Then I'm going to go.
Is that in your pocket anywhere? How many beers?
No, I check my pockets 8,000 fucking times.
Anybody keep a count? How many beers?
Well, let's look what's in the refrigerator. Excuse me, dog.
Beer.
Now here's a fucking cool refrigerator. We got tonic water, we got beer. What's this? What's up, motherfuckers? This is diluted Lawrence diluted gin. Light ice. Bud Light. See? And down here we have about a 6-pack of Bud Light. Down here we have a 6-pack of bottled Bud Light. One of my personal favorites. Next to the Bud Light is a case of light ice, as you can see, if you can read. Let's see. That's about all the shit in here that looks like it's any good. And there's some turkey. And
don't forget the cereal, man. We got Fruit Loops.
I'm looking for my pager. That doesn't fucking...
Why were you looking in the fridge then?
Who knows, man? Some stupid fucks around.
Excellent.